Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start Standard 7th English, Unit 7, The Invention of Vita Wong. Dear students, in this chapter, Mr. Willy Wonka was a scientist and he invented tonic Wonka White, which made people younger. So, in this chapter, we will see about this invention. Dear students, here we can see there was a scientist and his name was Mr. Willy Wonka. He first invented a tonic Wonka White which made people younger. But it was such a powerful medicine that many people disappeared after their age went in minus. One person even became minus 87. The poor fellow had to wait 87 years to come back. And Willy Wonka decided to invent a new thing to undo the harm he had to make people old. Here in this paragraph we can see he wanted to know what the oldest living thing in the world was or what lived longer than anything else. His assistant Charlie named tree, but the question emerged. Which tree? It was certainly not the fir, oak or cedar. It was a tree called bristlecone that grew in Nevada, USA. And such trees were 4,000 years old. And Wonka got into his great glass elevator and rushed all over the world. And he collected special items from the oldest living things. He took a pinch of sap from the bristlecone pine and the toenail clipping from a 168-year-old Russian farmer, an egg laid by 200-year-old tortoise, the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat, and so on. So it was our part 1. Now part 2. What is in part 2? So in part 2, Mr. Wonka tracked down very old animals and took a bit of something from each one of them. In the end, they boiled and tested the product in his inventing room. And he produced one small cupful of black liquid. He gave 4 drops of it to a brave young volunteer, and Oompa Loompa, to see what happened. And what was the result? Charlie asked. So Mr. Wonka said that the effect of the medicine was swift and fantastic. And the moment that the young man gulped down those drops, he began growing old and wrinkled. And in the end, his head dropped off and his teeth also started falling out. In an instant, the 20-year-old boy became an old man of 75. And in this way, Vita Wong was invented.